Hello, it's Hannah here. Stop laughing, Sarah. Stop it. Right. How are we all today? We fine? Good. Well, today's been rather interesting. I woke up a bit late, 11 o'clock-ish. Was it 11-ish? Yeah. Had a text from the college saying you have to come in. I'm like, don't want to. Yeah, everyone's getting all their work verified or something. They want us all in. I'm like, it doesn't need to be verified. It's amazing work. Yeah, it's only taken me the whole year to do it all. About you walking out, I'll get to that in a minute, Sarah. So, today, it's pissed down. It's been a really depressing grey day. Oh. What? Oh, okay. I bought a new game today, which might be. It's like, what? That's a bit boyishy. But I'm like, fuck it. Completed it already, because that's exactly how I am. My sister walked out, because she's a troublemaker, like I said before. She is such a troublemaker. She walks out, she doesn't give a damn for the rules. She's also like a little kid, want her own way. Like ones that are in a shop. They're like always after the cookies or the little toy, the new one that's come out. Yeah, she's like that. She'll moan and moan and moan until she gets her own way. Bless her. I really need new hair dye, don't I? Don't just nod, say something. Louder! Oh, alright, Mum's in bed. We got to be quiet. Quiet. Pardon? Oh yeah. Oh well. Whoop. Yeah, I really need to stop biting my nails as well. I noticed that. This thing looks really dumb. Total dumb. Oh, by the way, is this... Oh, this is our longest vlog yet. And we've only done 3. So, we're improving. What? I know it's gonna be boring. Boring. My bra strap keeps falling down. Stop huffing and puffing, Cal. Oh, stop moaning about the internet. Anyway, Sarah goes home tomorrow. Yay! Aww. It's not yay. You're only yay high. You're tiny. What? I know you're not. You're not even 5 foot. Sorry if I'm boring you. Do you think I should go now? I think I should go now. I really do think I should, do I? Do you think I should?
But my new friends do.
Nope, he doesn't want to be in videos. He doesn't like them. Unless they're about music. Say something!
You're panicking. You need to relax. Just talking dead.
If I was doing that, we'd be swearing. Ooh. Anyways, subscribe. Oh, and rate. Can you rate anymore? Can you rate videos? You can. Yes, you can. You can like them. Like. I know they're still crap vlogs, but oh well. This is Hannah, and I'm signing out. Goodbye, peoples. Subscribe.